How about if you could retire comfortably, live life on your own terms, and never have to worry about money again? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, Tony Robbins says it's not only possible, it's a formula you can follow. In his book Money, Master the Game, Robbins distills wisdom from 50 of the world's greatest financial minds into 7 simple steps that anyone can use, whether you're earning minimum wage or running a $1 million business. Let's break it down. Before we move on, I think you should know a little about Tony Robbins. He is a renowned American motivational speaker, life coach, and self-help author. He's known for his dynamic and engaging style, helping millions of people worldwide to achieve personal and professional growth. Robbins has written several best-selling books, including Unshakable and this one, Money, Master the Game. His teachings focus on peak performance, wealth creation, and living a fulfilling life. Robbins' work emphasizes the importance of mindset, strategy, and taking action to achieve success and happiness. So how do you become the master of the game of money? A reason you need to pay attention to this book is the fact that whatever you want to do, money is involved, and the knowledge of it is what keeps you above average in many areas of your life. As said earlier, Tony broke down wisdom from 50 of the world's greatest financial minds into 7 simple steps that anyone can use regardless of where you are with your income. Step 1. Commit to becoming an investor, not just a consumer. Tony starts with a simple truth. Most people work for money, but the wealthy make money work for them. Instead of spending everything you earn, take a percentage and invest it, no matter how small. Even 10% consistently invested can change your financial future. Make this a lifestyle and a non-negotiable habit in your life. Takeaway: wealth begins with discipline, not income size. Step 2. Know the rules before you play the game. Most investors fail not because they're unlucky, but because they don't understand the hidden rules of Wall Street, or better still, investments. Fees, taxes, and poor advice eat away at returns. Tony warns against putting your trust entirely in financial advisors who earn commissions. Instead, educate yourself and look for fiduciary advisors who are legally bound to put your interests first. I know we have spoken in many of our book summaries to seek the help of an expert if you're not directly knowledgeable about investments. But one of the key things about choosing a financial advisor is to look out for those who are legally bound to put your interest first. Do your research and get your answers. Takeaway: in investing, ignorance is expensive. Step 3. Create a lifetime income plan. Robbins talks about building your own freedom fund, investments that generate enough income to cover your lifestyle forever. This means shifting your mindset from how much money can I make to how much income can my investments produce every month for life. Abundance is not a disaster. It only gives you the ability to do more. Takeaway: it's not just about wealth. It's about sustainable, predictable income. Step 4. Use the power of compounding. Albert Einstein called compounding the 8th wonder of the world, and Tony agrees. The earlier you start, the more exponential your growth becomes. Even small, consistent investments over decades can turn ordinary people into millionaires. For example, $300 a month invested at 8% annual growth for 40 years equals over $900,000. Takeaway: time the market beats timing the market. Step 5. Don't try to beat the market, own the market. Robbins learned from billionaire investors like Jack Bogle, founder of Vanguard, that most active fund managers fail to beat the market. The solution? Low-cost index funds that simply track the market's performance. Giving you consistent returns without high fees is way better than any form of get-rich-quick strategy you might think of. Takeaway: simplicity wins in investing. Step 6. Create an all-weather portfolio. Tony got this from Dalio, one of the most successful hedge fund managers in history. The idea is to have a portfolio that performs well in any market, boom or bust, by diversifying across stocks, bonds, commodities, and other assets. Life and situations happen that may shake the normal. They are sometimes inevitable, but having an all-weather portfolio protects you from big losses while still allowing for steady growth. Takeaway: Diversification is your financial seatbelt. You should not put all your eggs in one basket. Step 7. Make a game you can win. Robbins encourages you to define what financial freedom means for you. It means different things to different people. You don't necessarily have to follow the path of someone else unless they define what success and financial freedom means to you. Maybe you don't need a private jet. Maybe all you want is to pay off your mortgage and have enough to travel twice a year. Once you know your number, the game becomes winnable. An undefined journey is most times a lost journey. Takeaway: clarity equals power. Mindset of wealth. Tony emphasizes that becoming financially free is 80% psychology and 20% mechanics. Fear, greed, and impatience destroy more wealth than bad investments. The best investors stay calm during downturns, see crashes as buying opportunities, and keep a long-term perspective. Takeaway: your mindset will determine your money destiny. Finally, Tony reminds us that wealth without meaning is empty. He donates meals to millions through his philanthropy and encourages readers to give, even if it's just a small percentage. Giving creates a sense of abundance and gratitude that makes the journey worthwhile. Here again is the recap of the 7 steps to financial freedom. 1. Become an investor, not just a consumer. 2. Learn the rules of the financial game. 3. Create a lifetime income plan. 4. Harness the power of compounding. 5. Own the market through low-cost index funds. 6. Build an all-weather portfolio. 7. Define and aim for your financial freedom number. And there you have it, Tony Robbins' money. Master the game in just few minutes. Remember, financial freedom isn't about luck or magic. It's about following proven steps and staying consistent over time. If you found this helpful, make sure you check out my other summaries on the world's best finance books. Your future wealthy self will thank you. Comment, share, and subscribe, and let's keep mastering the game together.